Warning for southeastern Cass County in southwestern Iowa, Adair County in southwestern Iowa, northwestern Adams County in southwestern Iowa, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of Lake Ikaria, or 11 miles north of Corning, moving northeast. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Greenfield, Lake Ikaria, Fontanelle, Messina, Bridgewater, Coven, Greenfield Municipal Airport, Lake Ikaria State Park, and Nodaway Park. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 73 and 74. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for southwestern Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Adair, and Adams.